Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage our vibration settings on this device. Start by opening settings. Following that, select sound and click on sound profile. Over here you can select vibrate only by tapping on it and going back. Then you need to scroll down and click on the switcher next to ring with vibration. This way you can disable or enable vibrations for your incoming calls. Now scroll down, choose vibration type and select one of those vibration patterns, like rabbit, and save your changes by tapping on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!